guys, so I'm currently at KL Eco Park with this bunch of people.
Hello, I'm back.
The actual plan is we actually want to go to Frame, but what happened?
It's complicated. We have to pay like 127.20 cents to hire a guide. Kita pun tak berpengalaman, so payahlah.
So we end up dekat sini. Neither any of us pernah datang sini, so YOLO je lah.
Harap tak selesai.
So we are currently on the canopy walk, which is super cool. V.
No. Wait, but Izzat, stop! Tak tinggi dah. Jangan kawan dengan Izzat.
No, I'm amazed by this place. The fact that it's in the center of KL, super cool.
Record jap.
Tengah record lah ni.
No, I mean my phone. I'm not.
Look at this girl feeling herself.
What?
Wow!
Yeah, the word is on my face.
So by now, we have no idea where are we going. Macam salah je. YOLO. YOLO, YOLO, YOLO. Akak kerja sini agak.
Baju pun sesuai.
So we are currently in fish natural habitat. Anda asal mana?
Asal ni space saya tunjuk jam. Dekat dah.
Nak dekat mana? So please give us some tour.
Okay, let's go. Sorry lah, sepak tak.
That you
Tak biasa hari pertama lah. Okay.
So I'm not quite sure if I should follow them, but
This is, excuse me, that's my room. Masuk. That's your room. Sorry, kita selalu salah pilih.
that you had.
Tak apa.
Jangan masuk.
Tak masa bilik. Okay, ruang tamu. So mana bilik dia? So ni apa
Oh, yang tempat kita orang salin baju. Privacy.
What? Ostrich?
Saya dah hajam. Ikon. See. Ada ostrich. Beruang.
Fik, kenapa kawan you ada kat sini?
Excuse me, beruang. Beruang. Itu apa? Tak apa ya? Lama. Tak.
Satu-satu keluar. Guys, it's the KL Tower tu.
Nampak tak? Tu badan dia. And then tu kepala dia. Okay. Siut.
Okay. We are currently in front of the KL Tower. And there's a parrot over here. Cool gila.
Guys, tengok ni guys. Tengok ni.
So, meet my new friend. This is Boy. He's super friendly.
Oh no.
Hi, cutie. Ni gambar.
Her name is Goldie.
This one Goldie.
Senyum. Boy, senyum boy. Goldie, panas sini.
That feels good!
after Salat Jumaat. Alhamdulillah. Sorry for all the jump cuts. Guys, there's so many stuff to be giving away to you guys, but I'm sorry. I know I promised to you guys like last Friday, but that didn't happen because I've been so busy with exam, midterm exam. But hopefully soon I'll be giving them all of them away, inshallah. So there's nothing much to say right now. I'm going to change my clothes because obviously I baru balik dari Salat Jumaat. I don't want to go out with this type of outfit. Kalau tidak orang ingatkan I nak jumpy semua orang. What? I'll be meeting Putri Sasana. You guys know her. Obviously, she's pretty much in all of my vlogs. I'll be meeting her at Wang Utama, but before that, I have a meeting to attend, but I don't want to vlog much on that meeting. So I'll just vlog when I'm already with Putri. So, let's go. So finally, I'm currently with Put right now in her natural habitat.
Yeah, this is my crib.
So this is what I had to deal with every single time. Ring aku.
Lawa.
Heart eyes emoji.
Kalau keluar mana-mana, orang ingat. Macam tu lah.
Okay.
Oh, PM for my eyelashes. Tahulah, untunglah siapa dapat dia ni. Tapi pergi mana-mana pun ikut orang, tak senonoh. Untung siapa dapat dia. This is my outfit. I got my... This one is from Zara.
Yeah, from Zara.
This one. So, I don't remember. Is that LTD?
No one cares.
Kalau tak nampak lah.
I want money and all your power.
Ambil gambar depan. Burung.
Oh, fashionista. In the other hand, inilah standard lah.
Cantik tak?
So PM me kalau nak I bawa bag. Dah biasa lah.
Aku bayar kau kan. Tadi dia pegang barang saya, sekarang ni tengoklah ni. Cakap orang dia pun sama. Alamak, buka baju pun bergaya. Siapa nak dia boleh PM saya. Kena minta saya punya apa?
Bank account.
Bukan. Approval.
What is up guys? So I just got back home and today was such a fun day. Very tiring, but it was a fun day. And here's a tip on how you guys can get rid of this lifeless life and have fun out there. Just fill in those empty time and just have fun. No matter what you're doing, just stay safe and have fun. YOLO. You only live once. Oh, and look at my shirt though. What do you guys think? By Mizat. It's actually from my past business, which is Mizat.exclusive. It's a reflective material. Let me know if I should sell them to you guys. Comment down below yes or no. And yeah, with all of that being said, I'm going to end today's vlog here. Thank you for watching today's DailyEzz. Please remember that you guys are very important to me, and I'll catch you in my next vlog. Ciao.